Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Ankit Career Academy. The target for this YouTube channel is to solve 8 lakh math problems. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So in this very question, basically we are trying to calculate the value of d by dx of the derivative of log to the base 7 log to the base 7x. So first of all, let us substitute this y as this entire function. So the value of y is equal to log of 7 log of 7x. So if we have to calculate the derivative of this function, so essentially what we are looking at is to calculate the value of dy by dx. Now in the second part of the question, let us substitute the value of u as this internal function, that is log of 7 to the x. So in this what we have now is, let us resubstitute this. So y is equal to log of 7 of u, right? So this is that means we have taken this entire function as u basically. So y is equal to this. So if you notice here, the value of dy by dx can be written as dy by du multiplied by du by dx. So all we have to do essentially is just calculate the value of these two functions over here. So if the value of u is equal to log to the base 7x, and if we differentiate this, so the value of du by dx is equal to 1 divided by 1 divided by x log to the base 7x log to the base, let me recalculate that. So the value of du by dx is equal to 1 divided by x log to the base 7. This is the value of du by dx. Now if you resubstitute this over here, so essentially the value of dy by dx would be different. So the value of dy by du is equal to 1 divided by u log e to the base 7. Now what we have here is a situation where these kind of problems will result in a totally different answer. So let us resubstitute these two values over here. So the value of dy by dx is equal to dy by du. So dy by du is 1 divided by u log e to the base 7 multiplied by du by dx, which is 1 divided by x log of e to the base 7. So the value of u that we have taken is log 7 to the base x. So let us resubstitute the value here. So that means the value of dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by log to the base 7 x multiplied by log 7, and then we have a log 7 as x. So this is log to the base 7 x as u, and then we have a log 7. So this is 3 times log of 7. So if you want, you can kind of multiply this together and frame it as power 3. So this right here is the final answer to this particular problem. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.